In Shield, you can set different encrypted data permissions. The encryption relies on the use of encryption keys, and there's two options here, BYOK or bring your own key. The alternative is to use Salesforce's auto-generated tenant secret. In both scenarios, they're generically known as tenant keys. The other side of the handshake is known as the master key, which is always controlled by Salesforce. And for the setup of tenant keys, you need the manage encryption keys permission. So in Classic, we're talking about view encrypted data. For Shield, we need manage encryption keys. So when you're comparing Classic with Shield, it's really just this one component, platform encryption, where we've any kind of like-for-like comparison. Classic scores 1 point on Shield because it supports partial masking, but Shield platform encryption has standard fields and much more functionality just beyond validation rules. It has the approval process, the workflows, the flows, etc. And also with Shield, you can encrypt files. And lastly, the encryption is stronger, being 256-bit versus 128, which is a compliance requirement for some organizations. So that's platform encryption. Nick?